Evening, everyone. I got some great news to share with you guys. On Amazon, there's a set made by this company called Black Path, and basically they made if I'm not mistaken, dropping papers over here. But there we go. For cars from 1979 to 2004 Mustangs, they make lower control arms and upper control arms. They have a kit, pretty affordable. But through them, I bought it Sunday and I got it today. And they have they have sway bar, not sway bar, sorry. They have subframe connectors. I'm gonna show you tonight's video, or this evening, that I got my subframe connectors. Check those out, share those with you. Give me a minute. And here it is, everybody, my subframe connectors. This is what they look like. Nice red. I've heard some people, but these are my subframe connectors. These are the cross support pieces that go across. They give me some bolts right here, and here's the other piece. Pretty sure some nuts, I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure somewhere in here there's some bolts. I will look through it. I'm very excited. I never had intentions onto bolting it anyways. I was gonna get it welded onto the car. We have a way of where basically we'll eject the car just right, but not high enough to where it's off the ground, just so the weight is still on the car. And we will weld these on there. But I guess I can put it on with the nuts and bolts, and then also I will put them on welded. I can't wait till I put these on there. I also want to show you that, hey, I have my drag bags. I don't know if I don't remember if I made I don't recall if I made a video for those, but I'm very excited. I finally got these in, and well, yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty great, exciting, and improves my handling and stiffens up the ride from my understanding. Also came with some cool ass stickers. They also give you a beer opener, bottle opener. Pretty cool. Stickers will go on the car after I put these on. Take note, these upgrades and these modifications will not be going on the white Mustang. They will be going on the black one. Everything I'm doing is for the black Mustang, so I can start tracking this car and getting it ready, and go from there. But yeah, I just want to share with you guys, I finally got my subframe connectors. I will get the control arms a little bit later on, but this is a big deal for me. I'm very happy. Yep, here we go. Basically, from my understanding, it goes something like that. And then same thing for the other one, probably in the middle. And we shall see. Alright, so you guys feel free to drop a like and comment below.